Good morning everyone, I am Villagracia, the leader for Group 1, and today we will present our research titled Franciscan Bulletin Widget, an innovative proposal for enhanced academic announcements in St. Francis of Assisi College. Research questions. What specific features of the Franciscan Bulletin Widget do users find most useful in improving the accessibility of academic announcements such as real-time notifications, event reminders, or search functionality? Number 2. How does the use of the widget impact the timeliness and accuracy of delivering academic information to students and teachers? Number 3. What ways does the widget help build a stronger sense of community among students and teachers by facilitating communication and engagement?
This research aimed to create a user-friendly application specifically for Franciscan students and teachers, enabling them to stay more informed about critical campus events, classroom schedules, and other essential announcements. By centralizing and organizing important updates, the app intends to minimize communication gap, making it easier for users to stay on top of school-related activities. Moreover, the study seeks to evaluate the effectiveness of the Franciscan Bulletin widget, which serves as a tool for academic announcement. The evaluation will focus on how well the widget performs its core function, whether it's easy to use, and how convenient it is for daily academic needs. By assessing these aspects, the research aims to determine whether the widget significantly improves the flow of communication, making it an essential tool for the campus community to stay informed and engaged.
And now let's move on to the number of tries. In the study, it will only consist of 3 tries to evaluate the impact and usefulness of the Franciscan Bulletin widget. The first trial will be baseline assessment. The researchers will gather data from 20 students and 20 teachers to understand current engagement and satisfaction in traditional method of announcement. For the second trial, after the product developed and implemented, the researchers will survey 50 students and 20 teachers to measure the changes in engagement and satisfaction in announcing school activities. And lastly, for the third trial, the researchers will have long-term follow-up to the ongoing process of the widget by surveying the users on the functionality, accessibility, and convenience on using the application.
For our research title, we're using a quantitative descriptive design. This approach is ideal for collecting measurable data and gaining insights into how students, instructors, and administrators interact with the widget. To ensure diverse representation, we'll implement stratified random sampling. This approach will help minimize selection bias and provide a diverse sample reflective of the broader student population. We plan to involve around 100 participants, which will allow for comprehensive data collection and analysis.
And next for methods of research is data collection site. Data will be collected at St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor campus through surveys. The said surveys will be printed and the researchers will distribute them to selected students to evaluate their experiences and engagement with Franciscan Bulletin widget.
The Franciscan Bulletin widget is an application used to enhance the academic announcement for the students of St. Francis of Assisi College. The announcement given automatically plays on the student's home screen with a notification for them to check them out. Furthermore, the Franciscan Bulletin widget aims to help helps as well as the teachers to be more aware of the important announcement and reminders regarding the Franciscan activities and classroom identities.
A product features for our research has real-time updates, a notification for urgent announcements, campus event feeds, list of upcoming events and social activities, classroom reminder feed, classroom announcements such as assignments, practices, funds, and others, and Franciscan feature on the templates. The 12 Franciscan virtues are added to represent the 12 months of the year.
Time-based efficiency calculated by first measuring time on task. This is used to calculate the usability of the product, and it is calculated by subtracting the start time from the end time, total task completion time over number of tasks completed. In computing time-based efficiency refers to process in terms of time, complexity, It means how quickly a program executes given different inputs and aims to minimize execution time.
Two-way analysis of variance ANOVA. Calculate the relationship among the features of Franciscan Bulletin widget, which are the functionality, accessibility, and convenience. Let Yij be the response variable, e.g. user satisfaction or performance score, measured for the KTH observation in the ITH level of functionality and the JTH level of accessibility. The general model can be expressed as number 1. It represents the observed value for the TH level of factor A, e.g. functionality, the TH level of factor B, e.g. accessibility, and the TH observation. Number 2. It is overall mean or average all the observed values in the study.
Now let's move on to the statistical treatment of data, number 3. Aptix scores, or the application performance index, where we are going to calculate the performance of the Franciscan Bulletin widget to the user's satisfaction when using the application. We're going to use the formula of Aptix, where Aptix is equal to S plus T over 2 over N, where SSS is number of satisfactory responses, where responses that meet or exceed the target threshold, TTT. TTT is number of tolerating responses, or responses that exceed the target threshold but are still acceptable. NNN is total number of responses, where satisfactory plus tolerating plus frustrating. In conclusion, the Franciscan Bulletin widget offers an innovative solution for enhancing academic announcements at St. Francis of Assisi College. This proposal addresses communication challenges, improves information accessibility, and aligns with our institution's values. Thank you for your attention, and God bless.